All right, we've got a new product that we have for you, product and service. So when we do your floor plans now, we can create measurements from the floor plans and we can create a 3D virtual video tour. It's amazing. So with one digital scan, we can do several things. Floor plan with measurements, floor plan with color, so the floor plan, we can add color to it, and then we can do floor plan with measurements with a 3D effect, so it looks more like the home. So when you show the floor plan, it looks, kind of has the same color scheme, floor scheme, furniture scheme, and then we can take that same information and create a 3D virtual video tour, sync that to music. Then, if you would like, we can sync it to music with voiceover, and then we can add call outs with graphics. So those are all separate layers scaling up to what we can do with one scan. So we can scan a home, and go through it again. We can scan a home, create a basic black and white floor plan. We can create measurements, so you have floor plan and measurements. Then we can colorize that. Then we can create a video 3D virtual tour, sync that to music, add a voiceover, and then add graphic callouts. When we do the 3D virtual tour, it will digitally clean up the home. So if you have things there you don't want, like you've got a lot of family pictures on the wall, all of that can be virtually replaced. Maybe you have toys, you really, they're not cluttering up, but they're not part of what you're marketing. They're, they have toys everywhere, or they have toys in one room, and you just don't want that to be part of what you're marketing. The virtual video tour will take those things out. So when they play the video, they're getting a nice, clean, virtual video tour that can have music, voiceover, and call-outs added to the video. Check it out. We do have on our YouTube channel, Real Estate Photographer Pro, we do have examples of that. Let us know if we can help. The website is realestatephotographerpro.com.